very bad. Meri. This is a GUI feature. And next one is the single user operating system. Means according to the name, single user is a one user to do a single task on the computer at a time. Means one user do only one task. That type of operating systems are single user or a single task operating, like DOS. DOS is this type of operating system. And next one is single user and multitasking operating system. Single user, like you are using a one task but perform one user but many tasks to be performed in one time. One user do work but many tasks to be performed, like whenever you come to the computer lab or at your home, you are using your computer, you are a single user, but sometimes you open a paint window and it will be not closed. You work in a word file for typing, and in the background you are using a listening a music, and once a time to give the command of your file. Mean four of type of a task to be performed at the same time, but you are only single user. This type of a performance done by which of the operating system, like a Windows and Apple Mac operating system. And next part is the multi-user, and some of the operating systems are multi-users, because multi-users, like in your computer lab, in one computer you are using work, and after that another class will come and do the performance, do the work at the different time. Means so many users are work on a one computer, one by one, multi users, and sometimes at the on the same time multi users are performed. How? With the help of a networking. In the one user work in your computer, in the computer, and that file also access and simultaneously in another user with by the help of a networking. That also done work with the help of a new versions of a Windows, like a Windows networking, Windows 2 ME, and many more new versions of the Windows. And now the next one is the real timing. Real timing is just like a used to control a machinery. Like machinery means sometimes a new robotic machines are maintained or made by the some scientist instrument or any type of complex animations and computer control automatic machines, that machines to be perform on the real time. In the real time they will be perform some tasks. These are the software, these are the called the real time operating system. Means that machines are called the robotic machines to be performed on real time, accordingly the situation, according to the work, that are called the real time. Like so many cartoons and so many robotic machines to work accordingly, these are called the real time operating system machines. Now next part is the distributive means this is also one of the operating system. For example, like Unix, Linux, Windows are the distributive operating system. How? Run on a set of computers that are interconnected by network. Sometimes you are connect your database with the help of a networking. Some one project is one project to be done by the many users and little bit passed by the one user, another part to be done by the second user, third task by the fourth user, many more user will be use one database but connect with each other and distribute the tasks accordingly by the help of networking. These to be tasks done by the help of a distributive operating system, and the Windows, Unix and Linux softwares are the this type of a feature, and these type of a operating system, Unix, Linux and Windows. I hope you all are understand different type of features like operating system accordingly, and the mobile operating systems, and then a desktop operating system. And next time we have to be complete the desktop functions and the many more certain topics in detail. Thank you so much. Any query to ask on online class? Thank you so much, girls.